If you are a widow or widower and the quiet in your home has started to feel heavy, this message is for you. Losing a partner is one of life's hardest losses. It can make the world feel smaller, conversations feel distant, and everyday moments feel too quiet. If you have ever wondered, is it wrong to want companionship again? Or where would I even start? You are not alone. And yes, it is possible to move forward gently, at your own pace. I want to introduce you to New Love After Loss, a simple guide and audio program designed for seniors who want to re-enter the world of dating with calm, confidence, and safety. If you are 65 or older and you have lost a spouse or long-term partner, this is for you. It is not about rushing. It is not about replacing your past love. It is about honoring your memories while giving yourself permission to feel connection again. Before I explain what is inside, a quick note. If at any point you feel, this is what I have been looking for, there is a link in the description where you can download New Love After Loss. You can follow along with me now and grab it when you are ready. Here is the problem so many people share with me. The loneliness becomes heavy, but the idea of dating feels confusing and even scary. Technology has changed. The rules have changed. Texting, profiles, short messages, video calls, safety checks. It can feel like another language. On top of that, there is guilt. Am I betraying my spouse if I go for a coffee? If this sounds familiar, you are exactly who I built this for. New Love After Loss gives you a gentle, step-by-step path. Inside the guide, you will find clear pages written in large, easy-to-read text, and 10 audio tracks you can listen to at home, on a walk, or before a meeting. Everything is practical, kind, and designed for your pace. You start with calm. Track 1 helps you breathe and settle your nerves so anxiety does not run the show. Track 2 gives you a private readiness check-in. You answer simple statements like, I can imagine a friendly coffee conversation, and you decide for yourself whether your next step is a short chat, a video call, or more rest. There is no pressure, only clarity. Next, you learn the light rules of modern dating for seniors. You do not need to be a tech expert. You only need a few small habits. Use a recent, smiling photo in natural light. Keep your bio short and friendly. Write 2 or 3 sentences about your interests, then add a question. That question is the secret to keeping the conversation warm and easy. The guide gives you ready-to-use lines, and the audio walks you through them, so your voice hears itself sounding steady and kind. You also get a full safety section that is firm and simple. Never send money or financial details. Keep first meetings short, in public, during the day. Tell a trusted person where you will be, and when you will check in. If someone refuses a short daytime video call or pushes you to move fast, you can end the conversation and step away. The guide gives you exact lines to say out loud, and the audio has short rehearsals so the words feel natural when you need them. One of the most requested features is the conversation simulator. You practice common situations out loud so the words are there when you need them. For example, starting a chat. Hello, thanks for your message. It is nice to meet you here. Or keeping momentum. I enjoyed your note about gardening. What do you like to grow in spring? Or setting a kind boundary. I prefer first meetings in a public place during the day. These short lines keep you warm and clear at the same time. There is also a first date planner. It helps you choose a bright, friendly location, plan your transportation, set a time limit, and prepare 3 light topics you enjoy. You arrive calm. You leave with your energy intact. Afterward, you will have a few follow-up lines you can send if you would like to meet again, and 1 kind, honest line if you do not feel a match. Another part you may find healing is the section on guilt. Many widows and widowers whisper, am I betraying my spouse if I enjoy a coffee with someone new? In the guide and audio, you will find a short ritual to honor your memories and still allow a little room for light. You will learn simple sentences that reduce guilt when it flares up. I can love again without forgetting. My memories are safe and honored. I am allowed to move at my pace. And because big goals can feel overwhelming, you also get a 30-day roadmap. Each day is a tiny step that takes 5 to 10 minutes. Draft 1 sentence for your profile. Take 2 photos in natural light. Practice a 5-minute video call with a trusted person. Read 1 page and highlight 1 idea. Small steps create momentum. You will not do everything at once. You will do the next kind thing, and that is enough. If you are wondering whether this will work for you, ask yourself 2 questions. First, would it help to have calm, simple words ready for the moments that usually feel awkward? Second, Would it help to have a safe plan you can trust, so you do not second-guess every step? If the answer is yes, New Love After Loss will feel like a companion beside you. Here is how to use it. Click the link in the description to download the guide and audio. Start with the welcome track. It will settle your nerves and set your intention. Then do the private readiness check-in. If the result is not yet, that is wise information. Use the calm tracks and the gentle exercises until your energy returns. If the result is yes, begin with the conversation practice and the safety checklist. When you feel steady, plan a short daytime coffee with the first date planner. Keep your check-in with a trusted friend before and after. Move one step at a time. If technology worries you, keep it simple. You can read the guide on a tablet or print the checklists. You can listen to the audio on your phone or a small speaker at home. If you prefer, ask a family member to help you open the files the first time. After that, you will have everything you need. A quick note for your heart. There will be easy days and hard days. There may be messages that fade. There may be moments that feel awkward. That is part of learning any new skill. It says nothing about your worth. What matters is that you protect your safety, respect your energy, and keep your kindness for yourself. The right connections welcome the real you at your pace. If you are ready to move from loneliness toward gentle companionship, click the link in the description and get New Love After Loss now. You will receive the full guide in clear, senior-friendly formatting and the 10 audio tracks that coach you step by step. Keep them on your phone, print the checklists, and use the daily motivation track to stay steady. You deserve calm. You deserve respect. You deserve clear boundaries and warm conversations. You are allowed to remember your past and hope for your future. If this speaks to you, the link is in the description. Download your copy of New Love After Loss, and let us take the next gentle step together. Thank you for listening. If this video helped you, consider sharing it with someone who might need it. And when you are ready, use the link in the description to get your copy and begin at your own pace. You are safe. You are steady. You are allowed to welcome new connection when it feels right for you.